The Center for Environmental and Management Studies has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President. I represent the Mahajir community, whose leader is Mr. Altaf Hussain. I again seek assistance from the members of the United Nations to stop the ongoing massacre against the Mahajirs in Karachi and the Balochi people in Balochistan at the hands of the state-sponsored agencies and military forces. Since 2013, hundreds have been extrajudicially killed, hundreds have been forcibly disappeared, and thousands are languishing in jails without charge. Mr. President, a census was carried out by the government of Pakistan in 2017, 2 decades late. The figures for the population in urban Sindh were manipulated by 50% where the Mahajirs reside. How is it possible, 2 decades late, figures can show a reduction of 50% of the population in one of the world's most populous cities, Karachi? In reducing these figures, the Mahajir population is further being alienated. We demand that the United Nations Census Commission revisit Pakistan to ensure that the Mahajirs are not deprived of those rights which are rightfully theirs. The time has come where the world should step in and allow the Mahajirs and the people of Balochistan to hold an impartial referendum under the watchful eye of the UN, which will allow them to choose the right to self-determination or live life under the occupying Pakistani forces. We seek the help of the international community to ensure that the wishes of the suppressed people are upheld. I would like to thank you for listening to the plight of the Mahajirs and the Balochi people. Thank you, Mr. President.